Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this video, we will be covering the Shopify integration. This will allow your sales orders to flow through to MechanicDesk from Shopify to update your inventory quantity in MechanicDesk. First, log into MechanicDesk and go to the Settings page and click on the Integrations tab. From here, click on the e-commerce integration link. To begin the integration, click Start Integration, enter your Shopify domain into the first area, ensure that the option to sync sales orders from Shopify to MechanicDesk and update stocks quantity is selected, and then click Enabled, then click Save. Now, before we click Sync, you need to ensure that your part numbers that are on Shopify have the same SKU as the stock number in MechanicDesk, so they can link together. Once you have done this, go back to your Shopify integration and click Authorize. This will take you to Shopify to authorize the integration. Now you are successfully integrated with Shopify. Please note that this should sync your sales orders automatically every 15 minutes, or you can force the sync by clicking the Sync button. Now we are going to process a sale in Shopify and see how it comes through to MechanicDesk. Here we have a sale for one of our products in Shopify. Once we have fulfilled this order, we can go back into MechanicDesk and check what has happened. You will notice that the sales order from Shopify has come through in the history and updated the quantity in MechanicDesk. This concludes our video for the Shopify integration. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our MechanicDesk support.